Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from Police Insider, and the title of the video is "Woman Thinks She's in Charge of the Traffic Stop." So let's get into it, man. Let's see what they're talking about.
At around 1 a.m. in the night, a New Jersey officer conducted a traffic stop on a female for erratic driving.
How you doing? My name's Officer Miller. Just gotta let you know we got body worn cameras on, okay? The music is way too loud, and you are driving way too fast. That's fine. How much did you have to drink? It is reeking. Alright, I'm gonna have somebody come and test you, okay?
No.
I have to. I get it, but you still reek of it.
The female refused to answer any questions, so the officer called for a DUI specialist on the scene.
You're about to get tested. Come this way, since you don't want to listen. Go stand over here, since you don't want to listen. Right there. Right there.
Follow me. Hey.
Follow him.
Follow me. Right here. On the sidewalk, right here.
You reek.
What's going on? We all got cameras.
Totally reek.
Right? Recording. I asked you out of the car.
Reeks.
Just like, right? I told you, we're going to test you.
We're just going to run a few tests just to make sure you're okay to drive, okay? Is that okay?
Whether you pass or fail, we'll figure it out. Okay?
Do you have any... Yeah, actually shut those lights
I'm
on.
going to shut mine off too, okay?
Yeah. Do you have any medical issues,
Not
anything
at
like
all.
that? Nothing? Anything wrong with your eyes, legs?
No, not at all. What's going on?
Oh, we're just going to run a few tests just to make sure you're okay to drive.
So you asking me questions that doesn't have to do with the driving.
Well, I have to ask you if you have anything.
My issues have nothing to do. I didn't do nothing wrong.
Okay, all right.
So, please.
All right.
Next corner, that's my house.
Okay, all right. I didn't pull you over. This officer pulled you
Okay,
over.
I'm
He has his
scared.
reasons. He has his reasons.
I'm not scared.
He has his reasons. Okay. Can you make these tests? Can you do these tests for me?
Yes.
Okay.
What do you want me to do?
All right. I'm
don't
gonna explain it to you.
I don't know if I can make it.
Okay. Hold on. I'm gonna explain it to you. I need somebody here with me.
I'm just saying, I'm
Okay.
just telling him.
Yeah. I just need got a flashlight?
Yeah, I got some.
No, hold it for me. Oh, yeah. Just kind of like above so I can see your eyes. I just need to see your eyes, okay? All right. So you have nothing wrong? You wear glasses, contacts, anything like that?
Mm-hmm.
All right. So what I'm going to do is you're going to just follow the tip of my finger, all right? All right. You can keep your hands on your sides. You can relax. It's okay. All right. Just follow the tip of my finger. All right. Eyes only. Do not move your head, okay? All right? It's going to take about a minute and a half, okay? Okay. All right. Into he should be good. All right. Come walk this way. All right. Just relax. It's okay. All right. Just place your right foot, front of your left foot, heel to toe fashion, just like that. Okay. All right. Heel to toe.
Which one?
Right in front of left. All right. Heel to toe. Your arms at your side. All right. Just stay in that position. Okay. Don't move until I instruct you to do so, all right? So what you're going to do is, you're going to take, when I tell you to begin, you're going to take 9 heel-to-toe steps in a straight line, okay?
What is my heel-to-toe?
I'll demonstrate to you, okay? Just listen to my instruction. When I tell you to begin, you're going to take 9 heel-to-toe steps, right? On the 9th step, you're going to keep your front foot planted. Okay, you're going to turn with your other foot, which I'll show you. All right, I'm show you all. Please,
I'm listening.
I know, but I need you to stay in that position.
I'm listening.
I know. Can you stay in this position, though? It's very important you stay in this position. Thank you. Heel to toe. All right. Hands at your side. Okay? So 9 heel to toe steps. On your 9th step, you're going to keep your front foot planted. You're going to turn with your other foot, turn around, and then 9 heel to toe steps back. All right?
Ready?
Hold on.
I'm going to get out of here.
All right. We'll try to get you out of here, all right? So when you do that, I want you to keep your eyes on your feet, hands at your side, count the steps out loud. So
9 down, 9
So I'm gonna.
9 back.
Yes. So hold on. So this is the position you're in now, right? Correct. You take 1, 2, up to 9. Turn like this. Short, choppy steps. 1, 2, 3, 9 steps. Okay? All right, you can begin.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Turn around. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh, you going to
5,
jail.
6, 7,
You
8,
going to jail,
9,
baby.
10,
Think
11,
you cute.
12. What else?
Going to
Okay,
jail.
one more test. One more test.
1.
No. You're done with that test. I have another test. Okay? All right? So you can just put your feet at your side, hands on your side. Okay? Just stand like that, nice and relaxed. Okay? But when I tell you to begin, you're going to pick.
This ain't one of them tests where you want to do extra for extra credit. You hear me? She talking about, she thinking she doing such a good job. She like, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. No. You better pay attention now. You talking about you want to get up out of here. They gonna get you out of here fast, all right? But you think you going up the block and around the corner to your house? Okay. They got another spot that you going to.
1 foot up, either one, left or right. You can keep your legs straight, foot pointed out, about 6 inches above the ground, like this. Okay? Right, no. Okay. All right. And not yet. I didn't tell you to begin.
I'm sorry.
Okay. I didn't tell you to begin. About 6 inches above the ground. All right. You're gonna leave it in that position. You're gonna count 1001, 1002, 1003.
What the is going on? Can you put me on? No. That's insane. I can do it if you want me to, but that's insane.
What's insane?
Whatever you're telling me to do.
So, do you want to do it or not?
I can do it. But
Okay.
I don't think this is a test for me to do it.
It is a test.
No, it's not.
Okay.
Okay. Get it off, because I want to get out of here. I live
Okay.
right there.
Okay.
So what do you want me to do? Just explain to me and
I did
let me
explain
get
to
it
you.
out.
I did.
No. This is insane. I don't agree with whatever you're doing. I can recall you and you're doing extras. You're doing extra. You guys, not you. You are doing extra. So let me know what's going on. Because I want to get the out of here. I'm sorry. I don't want to be cursing. I don't want to do this shit. But you are
All right.
extra. You are being extra.
Okay.
So please, what do you want me to do?
Okay. I was called here to make sure you're not
do
drunk.
do you wanna arrest me? Do you wanna give me a ticket? What the am I gonna do? Whatever you doing.
Well, I just want you to. I just
okay.
want.
Give me the last text. So I wanna get the
Okay,
out. You're doing
alright.
extra.
Okay. All right.
Okay. What do you want me to do?
So.
A 4? What the you want me to do? Because I wanna get the here.
Okay.
You're doing extra.
So stand there.
No, I'm getting aggravated.
Okay.
Because I know my right.
Okay. All right. Do you want to do the test or no? It's up to
Go
you.
ahead. Leave me the last text.
Okay.
What is it?
Okay. So stand on your side.
Oh, you want me to straight? That's what you wanna see?
What?
I don't know. I'm concerned
Stand.
about you guys. What the gonna do? You acting weird because I can turn. So what do you want me to do so I can get out of here?
I'm trying to explain.
You want me to strip or not?
No.
Okay, so get me out of here. I don't know. Get me out of here now.
Okay. All right.
Get me out of here.
Okay. Stand with your feet together, hands at your side. Okay. When I tell you to begin. Okay. You're gonna lift one leg, left or right, straight out.
What do you lift it up?
Like this, like so, straight out, foot pointed out, about 6 inches above the ground. All right, you're gonna count 1001, 1002,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What you want me to do? Can you do it for me? That's the thing. Can you do that the same thing that you're telling me to do?
You want to do the test?
No. Can you do it for me? No. Let me ask you a question.
All right, you don't
Whatever
want
you ask me to do, can you do it for me?
Okay, you don't want to do the test.
Okay.
Okay.
You want me to count for 1,000? 1,
right.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
You're being placed
No,
on the
wait.
arrest.
You're arrested. Don't
Wait,
you dare.
I am under arrest.
You're being placed on the arrest, all right?
For
For
what?
suspicion of DWI, okay?
Wait. I can't be under arrest, but you gotta give me my rights.
You have the right to remain
No.
silent.
I have the right, but why I'm being under arrest? No. Excuse me, mom.
Ma'am, don't fight.
Okay, but give me my right.
They're gonna read you your rights. Let them handcuff you.
Okay, but
ma'am,
just tell me.
Ma'am, put your hands behind your back.
Just
Ma'am.
tell me why I be under arrest.
Suspicion of DWI.
No.
We will charge you with resisting if you don't stop.
I'm not resisting.
You are.
I'm asking. Please, don't do this. I passed all my tests.
No, you didn't.
Yeah, I did.
You need help with the other one?
Come on, how did I not pass my test? Come on. Be realistic. I passed my test. Why are you doing this? I live right there down the street.
Yeah. 2 on.
Why are you doing that? Give me a reason why.
Ma'am.
Well, why? Give me a reason.
Stop resisting. You're under arrest. You're under arrest. You're under arrest. Stop resisting. Stop resisting.
But why I am under arrest?
Stop resisting.
But why? Why I am under arrest?
For drunk driving.
No.
Stop resisting. You're under.
Do you have a proof?
Give me a hand. Give me a hand. I got this one. Get the other hand. I got this one.
Oh my God,
I got this
you're
one.
doing this. It's not fair. Come on, be realistic. I'm too respecting you like that. Come on, I'm not.
It's over.
Ma'am, it's okay.
Don't do that.
Go.
Stop moving. Stop moving.
The uncooperative female then attempted to resist arrest by pulling her arm away and trying to bite an officer.
You are under arrest.
But why?
It gets like that?
Why?
For drunk driving.
But do you have a proof?
Yes.
How?
Everything you just did.
No. He
Yes.
just texted me.
You're under arrest.
No, I'm
It's
not.
over. It's over.
I gotta call my lawyer.
It's over.
Can I call my lawyer?
Yo, call him when you get back to headquarters.
No. I gotta call my lawyer
I'm
now.
not gonna call him now.
Can I? Don't do this. Come on, what's going on with you
No, let me
guys?
check.
What's wrong with you? Hello, my car is right there. What's wrong? Yo, please don't
in the
do
car.
this.
Ma'am, just get in the car. It's
Get in the
over.
car.
It's
No,
over.
no.
Get in the car.
Oh,
You're gonna get charged with the resisting. You're gonna get charged with
but
a criminal
why?
charge.
I didn't do nothing wrong.
Because you're not letting
Get
him
in the car.
get in the car, or you're gonna get another charge.
Get in the
You got 2 choices. Either you go home within the next 4 hours,
I didn't do nothing
or you go to jail.
Do you wanna
Which
go?
one?
No.
Get in the car.
No.
You want to go to jail? So then get in the car.
Be an adult and get in the car.
Do you want me
Get
to
in the car
do you
right
want-
I didn't do nothing wrong.
Yes,
I
you
didn't do nothing wrong.
Get in
Can
the
you
car.
tell me what I did wrong?
I will tell you once you get in the car.
Listen, can I
No.
go?
You have no control here.
No,
It's over.
I do.
No, you don't.
I do.
No, you
Come
don't.
on. I didn't do nothing
me ask you a question.
wrong.
I know you don't
I
wanna-
didn't do nothing wrong.
Get in the car.
You got 2 options. I know you don't want to go to jail. You're gonna go to headquarters, which is in the center of town. and
Can
you'll be
I
home-
go
No,
into
and
my
then-
car?
No, and then you'll be home in 4 hours.
No,
So
this
you-
is wrong.
Everything's on camera.
But
We all got
I
cameras.
know it's in
So
camera.
this is bad.
I
for you.
didn't do
Ma'am,
I do
nothing
not want to
wrong.
pick you up and put you in the car.
But what the f... Come on. What did I do wrong? No. Wait. I'm
You
not
got 2
resisting.
options.
Come on.
You are
I'm not,
resisting.
no, I'm not resisting.
are-
I'm asking
So
for
sit
my...
down.
You are aggressive.
So sit down.
Then sit
I'm
down.
asking for my right.
Yeah, this is your rights.
No,
You're under arrest.
you're not telling me.
You're for drunk
All
driving.
right,
No.
let's do this over. Let's do this over. You got the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be
Okay,
used against you in
no,
a court of
exactly.
law.
But
You
I
got
had
the
the-
right to an attorney. If you cannot afford one, the state will give you one. Do you understand these rights? Your
I
rights have
didn't
been
do...
read to you.
Okay.
And you're being charged with the
For
suspension.
what?
All right, you know what?
Drunk driving? Oh, no, wait. Do you have any proof? No way. Don't do this. Come on, what's wrong with you guys? Don't do.
She's in.
But I'm not wrong. What's wrong with you guys? Please, come on, talk to me.
I'm charging you with resistance.
No, I'm resisting because you got it. You're taking me. Come on.
Yeah, make this shit up.
Yeah,
That's
that-
crazy.
I can take Right, so we got a Corona.
Anything else in here?
We have the party's wallet, which we'll take for property.
Please, what's going on?
You've been arrested for DWI.
No, I'm not. You didn't even give me that text.
So, you do.
You didn't even give me... No, you're wrong.
You don't want to listen, then you asking me questions and you don't want to listen. You can't ask me a question, I try to answer it, you don't listen.
You know what? I'm allowed to get a phone call, right?
Yep, once you get there,
So why the I don't have my phone?
because you don't use your phone. That's 1. And 2, you get a phone call at headquarters, not on the road.
Okay, give me that stuff.
Huh?
Where did I have to go? Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Don't touch me.
You don't control anything.
I don't like you.
I don't care.
I don't like you guys.
I don't like you anyway. We don't like each other.
Okay, stop doing that.
All right, you
I
have
will
to
walk.
You don't control this, all right? You've been controlling everything all day. This is not the way you work.
What's wrong with
No,
you? What did I do with you?
You didn't do anything.
Okay,
But
so
you're
you
not
let
listening.
me go? Cause I don't want you to touch me. I didn't do nothing wrong. I'm not a criminal.
Trust me.
What's wrong with you? Why are you teasing me like that?
I don't want to touch you.
You touch me right now. Can you stop? I don't like you guys. You're being very inconsiderate. I just need to be in my space. Can you?
The female was charged with driving under the influence, resisting arrest, obstructing the administration of law, and aggravated assault on a law enforcement officer. She was found to have one outstanding warrant issued out of West New York for $1,000. YouTube thinks...
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.